Logitech Zone Vibe 100 on-ear headphones. How to reset and function. To reset the Logitech Zone Vibe 100 on-ear headphones, follow these steps. Turn off the headphones. Ensure the headphones are powered off. Press and hold buttons. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. Observe the indicator light. The LED light will flash or change to indicate the reset process has been initiated. Reconnect the headphones. After the reset is complete, pair the headphones with your device again. And here are useful features. Warranty. Warranty period, months. 12. Accessories warranty. Not applicable. Service providers. Provider name. Juror collection service. Location. View location. Specifications. SKU. 593,074. Manufacturer number. 981001213. Model compatibility. 4 devices with Bluetooth. Product type. On-ear headphones. Audio control. On-device audio control. Connector type. USB, charging. Battery type. Rechargeable built-in battery. Design. 40 mm driver, memory foam, soft knitted fabric. Special features.
Memory foam, soft knitted fabric.
Wireless headphones with USB receiver, up to 20 hours listening. Sound isolation. Active noise cancelling. Gender. Unisex. Weight. 0.18 kg, 0.40 lb. Multipoint number of connected devices. Simple multipoint up to 2 devices. Microphone type. Built-in microphone. Connectivity technology. Bluetooth. Color. Black. Character/model series. Logitech Zone. Shipping weight, kg. 0.94. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click bell icon and link.